Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Happy summer vacations. Hope you all are enjoying well. So in this video we will talk about the summer pack of class 3 subject English. So let's start. Our second activity is about the comprehension. As we know, in comprehension, we read the passage carefully and answer the given questions at the end of the paragraph. This passage is about the old woman's luck. You all need to read this passage carefully and then then you will be able to answer the following questions that are given at the end of this passage. Our first question is, why did the old woman find the pot? So the tick 1. So the right answer will be by the side of the road. Clear? Now we will go to the next page. Our next page is page number 9. Here we have question number 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is same as the activity of as like the activity 1. So the question number 2 is, why did the old woman want to do with the pot? So the answer will be, the old woman wanted to make a colorful pot for a flower on the windowsill. Clear? So that our third question is, why two things that the old woman would sometime get from nearby houses? So the first thing is a plate of meat and the second thing is a cup of tea. Clear? So our fourth question is about the statements. Tick one box in each row to show whether each statement is true or false. These statements are 4 and we will write true in true box and false in false box. So these statements these statements are about the old woman's luck. So if you have read the passage carefully, you will be able to answer these questions. Okay, clear? So the fifth question is, pick any 2 example of contractions from the passage and write in the space given below. Contractions means anything or any words that we use to make words into one. For example, could not, couldn't, cannot, can't. Okay, clear? Here in this passage we write didn't and I will. Clear? So we will now go to the next page number 10. Here we have activity number 3. This is as like the activity number 2. You need to read the passage carefully and answer the given question at the end of this passage. So here we have 2 questions. This activity is about the woodman's wishes. Our first question is, why did the fairy beg for tick 1? So the correct answer is that tree cannot to be cut down. Clear? Our second question is, why did the woodman's do every day? So the woodman's wife filled his backpack with food and drink before he went to the work. Clear? Write it carefully. Now we will go to the next page number 11. Here we